Through the dip, nothing silly, and then 120.
If you're looking nothing silly, you shouldn't have got in this car.
And then 5 left. See, there we go. 5 left. 5 left, 100. And then flat left, 100 over the crest, and then turn square left, don't cut. Into the gravel and narrows. And square right, hole. Watch her, she kicks out. We'll be going in there. And turn 4 left, 80. And then crest and 6 right over 180. And then 100. And then look for the 3 left. There she is. And caution slowing crest. And 4 left over crest. And 1 left. 4 left and then 1 left. Into 2 right. Well held. 2 right. And then 6 left. 5 right. It's going to be shiny. And 5 right. And crest into 6 right. Into crests. And 5 right. And crest 100. And 2 right over crest finish.
2 right.
Yep, down there.
2 right.
Yep, there she is at those boards. And then 250. Okay. That was a horrible finish.
You don't like the big whoop, 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 whoop?
No.